Hey everyone, welcome to a new vlog. It's a long time since the last one. I apologise for that. I just haven't been able to make a video since then. So you may notice something is very different in this video. I am not on the CBR. Yeah, I sold the CBR about a week ago. So I only had it for maybe 3 weeks at the point of selling it. And it was nothing against the bike itself. You know, I did like the bike. It's just that obviously after my accident my back has been absolutely horrible, and well, the CBR is very hunched over, and you know, it's not good for if you have a bad back. So I sold it. I'm not sure if you can even hear this bike. It's very quiet. It's a 2019 V-Strom 250, also known as a DL 250 V-Strom. It's a decent bike. It had 4 kilometers on it when I bought it. It currently has 119. The only reason it has that is because I went to work on it one day, and then yeah, that got up to about 60. And obviously driving it home from the shop, blah blah. Anyway, so I really haven't ridden it very much. It's still in the breaking in period, so I'm sort of doing, you know, I'm not trying to go fast. I'm not revving it up or anything like that. I'm going for a soft break-in. So obviously you can tell it's very quiet, but I am planning on getting a new exhaust for it. I'm planning on doing a lot of things to it actually. So if you're interested in watching videos like that of me fitting new parts to the bike, let me know in the comments. I do all that myself anyway, so I may as well make a video of it. He should really have his headlight on because that was close. It's not really why he should have his headlight on, but it was close.